Welcome to Technology Tidbit by Crystal Slaughter. So this time we're going to talk about uploading. We are going to be uploading Microsoft PowerPoint, and we're going to be converting that to Google Slides, and we're going to be uploading Microsoft Excel documents and converting those to sheets. So here I'm going to begin. Remember, there are two versions, or two ways to put documents into the Google Drive. And that is, you can just drag them over and then drop them in, or you can upload. So I'm going to upload my file. The first one I'm going to do is PowerPoint. I'm going to go into backpack. There we go. And I'm going to pick this backpack PowerPoint. And it's uploading. Okay. It is uploaded, and you can see it's PowerPoint by the P. So again, I can right-click and share with an individual, or I can get a shareable link and send it to those, especially if they're not familiar with Google. That's an easier way to do that. And when I share, I can have them edit, I can just have them view it, or comment. I can also go up here at the top and click share through email, or getting that shareable link there as well. So, right now it is PowerPoint. So if I click it, I'm going to be able to print it. I can download it as a PowerPoint, but I want to open it with Google's version of PowerPoint, which is Slides. So it's going to take care of that. I always feel like I need to hum doing this. I'm not very good at it. Alright, here we are. So now it has been converted into Google Sheets. It'll show that it's PowerPoint, but it is in fact Google Sheets. That's just part of the name. Alright, so I can present it from here. So if I wanted to use it more like a Dropbox and say I had a presentation, I could just drop that PowerPoint in, and then I could open it and present it from right here. Or I could share it. Right now it said private, only me. I can share it through adding the email address, and I can change this from edit, comment, or view. And I also can get a shareable link if I wish, and I can do the same thing, edit, comment, and view, copy that link, and email it. Okay, so I'm going to close that out. And you're going to see it's still pulled up here, so you just click the arrow back. And now you will see in our Google Drive we have the PowerPoint and we have the Google Slides. Remember that if you want to share this to edit, keep in mind, do you want the original to be edited, or do you want to create a copy and keep your original? Because if you make a copy, then you can send that out and your original is then protected. Okay? So now we're going to look at uploading Excel documents. So I'm going to upload a file, and this time I am going to upload and evaluate document. Actually, I'm going to go down and pull this one. Right here. Okay, so I created this, and right now you're going to see that it is an Excel document by the X. So that kind of helps you out as far as what you're looking at. So again, if I wanted to just share this so that the teachers have access to that, I could right-click and share or get a shareable link. I use a shareable link more for those who maybe are not real familiar with the Google account, or I don't know their emails, all of their individual emails. I'll send it that way. So kind of looking at that, that's what you kind of keep in mind. Alright, so right now if I open it up, again, I can print that or download it and work from Excel. But I'm going to open it with Google's version of Excel, which is Google Sheets. So this is more if I want people to be able to edit. So here we have our Google Sheet. I can share this right here, put that email address in just as we've talked about before, or you can get the shareable link and send it out that way. I usually use this, especially with editing. when I created rosters for CCLC, and if I want people to be able to add those names in, I just send it out where they can edit. But if I want to protect those rosters and I don't want them to be able to change their names, I would send it out as view. Okay, so I'm going to close out of that. And again, click that arrow to go back. And now you can see those two documents, and the same thing goes for them. If you want to protect your original, please make sure you make a copy. All right, and that's it for today.